My hood is the unbreakable shield. Arrti.
I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now.
That's the spirit.
I'll be great now. I know that I'm a stay now. Driving out the nose. The haters always thinking that they can fucking hate me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries.
New parts for my ride.
Fucking safety, I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no, I ain't lazy. But society has me going so crazy. Yo, don't blame me, no, my mind's hazy.
Don't blame or you'll miss me. I'm ready for another lap.
And I won't let those hold me down.
Enjoy the adrenaline rush at lightning speed. You're gonna need new shock absorbers.
Request backup. Request backup.
Smooth steering.
Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right.
Full speed ahead.
Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh?
Fill her up.
It's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back what they said about
Buckle
you.
up.
Every time
It's
they
gonna
doubt
be
you,
a bumpy ride.
you forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Put it till it's down, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Make it, no, just take it.
I'm gonna give you a good fix.
Just take it, eh? You gotta get out and you just gotta take it.
Don't blink or you'll miss me. Smooth steering. I don't need a rear fast repairs and busted heads. Beat my buckle up. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. My hood is the Arrti.
Busted!
Enjoy the adrenaline rush at lightning speed. Full speed ahead.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different and you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, no waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it.
Let's make some noise.
You're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that?
Eat my
Take it
exhaust.
all back. Don't tell
fucking fight back. You can never leave him in the better than face it. Thinking that they're giving him, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
There's no way that you make it.
That's the spirit.
But you're never gonna make it.
Get rusty.
First you just gotta take
My
that.
spanner is handy for fast repairs and busted heads.
Don't tell me you believe that. First you just gotta take that.
Oh, will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Hold on tight or peel it out.
Shut down. Your team destroyed a turret.
Fill her up. I'll crush you into pieces.
Double kill.
Let's make some noise.
Killing spree.
All around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of rubber plastic.
You're gonna need new shock
Yeah, the
absorbers.
whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better without
I'm ready for another
I need a
lap.
private session.
I'll crush you into pieces.
She's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
My hood is the unbreakable shield. Arrti.
Mega kill.
Wicked crap. I'm a beast on the road.
Our turret is under attack.
Full speed ahead.
Mega kill.
Fill her up. I'll crush you into pieces. My spanner is handy for fast repairs and busted heads.
I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. Good game. I heard they didn't treat you well.
I'm gonna give you a good fix.
I heard you're hated by your girlfriend. Cause all the guys that you
Team destroyed. Unstoppable. Team destroyed a turret.
they say she looks young, but since she acts old, so that's
The
when I
enemy
heard
has
she
been
gets out of
slain.
control. And they say she was down from
Team
the head.
destroyed a turret.
I'm sure that the girl
Slain.
attention? I'm ready for another lap. I'm ready for another lap. Full speed ahead. Enjoy the adrenaline rush at lightning speed. Hold on tight. Busted!
Ally has slain Lord.
I'll crush you to pieces.
Shut down.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. Never give up, never slow till
I'm still in the same dimension.
listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in check. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong. Time my best to move along. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets.
I don't need a rearview mirror, 'cause I never look back.
I had so many dreams. When you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep
I'm
moving.
gonna give you a good
Put out
kiss.
the
I'll
stars.
crush you to pieces.
Genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me get it.
Nothing can stop my fury.
I'm grateful, able, I'm stable, no label, you know me, my path, only, a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going,
I want the real
My spanner is in from back repairs and busted heads.
show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back.
You're gonna
Cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Working never done. Get just what I want.
But I
Rises like the
never
sun,
look
yeah.
back.
Fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I will shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.
Perfect weather to go for a drive.
What I'm doing, never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Enjoy the adrenaline rush at lightning speed.
grateful, I'm stable, no label, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going.
Buckle up, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Fill her up. Fill her up. Full speed ahead.
Request backup.
Hold on tight. Feel it out.
I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now.
Mega
Everybody knows my
kill.
heart's faking
No.
now.
Busted!
I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know.
Enjoy the adrenaline rush at lightning speed.
I don't think I'll let the bet you win. Easier to break it off, that's right.
I'll cover these to pieces.
I'm gonna be understand me help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so good.
I don't need a rear view mirror, but I never look back.
Ally has slain Lord.
blink or you'll miss me. My spanner is handy for fast repairs and busted heads.
I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, thinking great now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now.
Victory!
Days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I pick a side, I'm fake and die. We'll never let